Abajaja, bajajaja, bajaja. Sarap yang Mari. Sep. Yummy, yummy pot, pot. Yummy, yummy pot. Ang popot naming sebit pot, pot.
May ganito sa molo. Ang cute. Saan kayong mall to?
Wow, books! What book do you want?
Hindi ko kasi gagawa ng cabinet.
Colors!
Naman.
Saan makabasa ka nila, ate?
Mabili ko yun. Ganun ka lang, sir, ha?
Oh.
Tagal na, ha?
Oh.
Tagal na, baby ko.
Oh.
Anak! Ang maayos na! Tagal na!
Yan.
Cute mo.
Nanap ka. Love. Nanap ka. Tignan mo nakakawag-kawag ang paa. Kanina kaya. Dali, dali, dali. Ay, naku, namiss mo kami, be. Namiss si Studette, saka si Tame.
Seb! 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 Mukhang harap mo!
Yummy. Oh, yes. I know.
Ganda ayaw pang kumain, bahala ka. Hindi naman ito, asawa ko.
Gustong gusto mong pinya, Bea. You like it? Ha? You like it, anak? O, naubos mo isang slice. That's enough after, okay? Finish na? Okay, next is gulay. Gulay. Here, gulay.
Bagay mo, hindi mo siya binigyan?
Okay. He will have his lunch na. Here, dessert. Guibano. Good job yan, oh. Here, come on. Sabi niya, today hindi ako nakakapagkatay sa'yo ah. Come on. Gustong gusto niya. Favorite ko pala itong guibana, baby. Oh, here, some more. Tama na. Gusto pa? Enough na. Uy, gusto nga niya, my love.
Ano ba?
Guibano.
Eh, favorite niya yan. Kaya nga di ba pinabili na namin yun?
Yay! Happy? Happy sa guyabano? Guyabano, happy boy, oh. Good job! Tama na. Rico. Sebi, ganda naman ng pants mo. Nakapan ko pa yung pants mo, be. Hey. Bebe.
Pagod na ako.
Kasya ba sa kanya?
Oo.
Ayos ah. Kasya, baby boy ah. Bye-bye.
Ay, sasama na siya sa akin kanina.
Bye.
Bye-bye today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Done with your school, Sevi? Done with your school? Yeah. Oh, saan tayo dadaan? Okay. His school is walking distance.
What's that?
Sebi! Sebi, good morning. Where are we going? You're going to your... Why? What happened to your teeth? Look at me. What happened?
My teeth break.
Oh, that's so sad. So, where is your dentist? Walking distance lang, guys. Ang dentist niya. And there is a football field over there. See, and now is 1 degree. So, ganun siya kalamig.
Bakit mo wala pa nanay mo? Kaya nga si Layo. The twins. The twins? Yeah, the twins gave the gift. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, another collection of songs.
Wow, you like it?
What will you say?
Thank Thank you, Twins. Meron
Ang
ka
dami.
pa.
Meron pa. Favorite ko to. Ano, ang dami mo ng,
Sonic.
parang everyday
Wow.
ka na Sonic.
That's for Aldrich.
Aldrich.
That's from
Wow.
Aldrich. Thanks, Aldrich.
Cool.
Hey!
That's Sonic.
Yeah, ano nga daw yan? Food? Ano yan? Toy?
That is a toy, I think. A squishy toy. Hindi pa.
Excited
Ito
with
muna.
mo. Madami ka pa. Sobrang excited sa
That's for
lahat.
Bella.
From Ate
From
Bella.
Bella.
Arabella. No, it's
Arabella? Arabella yung ano, kay Kuya Rupert.
Arabella.
Thank you, Arabella.
Ay, ano ba yan? Mali pa.
Wow!
Wow! Wow!
Wow!
Sir.
That's so nice!
Presyo pa. Wow!
Wow!
You need to see.
Later. We're not done yet.
Masyado ka excited magbukas eh.
I want to do
Yan, I think it's from Ate Becca.
This is for Ate Becca.
Yeah.
I have a lot of toys now.
Yeah, you have to thank them.
Huh?
You have to thank them because they gave it to you.
Thank them.
Thank you.
Say thank you to everyone who gave you a gift, okay?
Okay.
That's from Ate Becca. Ay,
What's this?
wait lang.
Wait. Wait.
Walang patience.
Patience.
Wow.
Wow, Sonic again.
Wow.
I love the
From
Sonic.
That's for school, Sam.
Aww.
Wow.
What's this from?
Remote control. Wow. What did you say to Ate Becca?
Thank you, Ate Baka.
Look at this, oh. Yeah,
Oy,
that
may
is
card
Sophia
sila.
and
Wow,
Sasha.
Nagawa pa sila.
Wow.
Wow. Like your ano. Wow.
It's a watch? Wow.
Wow.
Now I want to open.
Wait.
Wait lang. That's from Ate and
This is
Ninong.
from Ate and Ninong Chris. Can you
What?
sit down?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait lang.
lang.
I need to cut it.
I think it's a shoe.
Nakita mo na eh.
Nakita mo na malamang.
I
Okay.
think it's the Sonic. And this!
Wow!
Looks like Albert!
Aww. Can I borrow it?
No,
No?
it's too small.
What will you say to
It's too small.
Ninong?
What do I gonna say to Ninong and Ate?
Thank you, Ate Ninong.
That's
Yan from that.
Nanay.
Ay, from nanay pala yan.
And Tata.
Nanay and tatay.
I see it!
Wow.
See it!
What is it?
Da, 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 da.
Whoa! What's that?
The egg.
It's an egg.
It's full. You need to build it.
Yeah, you're gonna build it with Tata and our
Open it.
I think it's a dragon.
Of course, you see it already.
see it.
Being sinilip.
And this is dragon.
Wow!
Whoa!
It's the new one on right here. And it's going to fight.
They're going to fight.
Uh-huh.
They're brothers.
What are you gonna say to all of them?
Thank you, all of them.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Oh, can you do it again? Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. I want to open this now.
School time. Pasok na ulit. Good morning, Shelby. Say good morning. Yan guys, oh. Nag-start na siyang mag-bloom yung mga trees.